know I do to make it through the times we had.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you all doing? So today I got the opportunity to test out the brand new KTM Duke 200, which is similar to the design of an Duke 250. Well, when I saw the bike at the first time, I thought it's a 250. When you come at the sides, when you look at the design, the color scheme, and the most important thing, Duke 200. Well, this has got a good upgrade on the designs and on a spec sheet. It has got a very good system of an underbelly exhaust. Look at that. Well, this is gonna prevent the heating issue so good. Well, we are gonna take a test ride with it and I'm gonna tell you all about it, pros and cons. So first here we have the design of a Duke 250, as you can see here from the handlebars. Keys are here, same as in Duke 250. Pretty good. Yes. So the bike is in road mode, means it's in, you can ride it in the cities. So I know almost everybody will ask me, mileage kitna deti hai? So I'll be guessing around. So it's a brand new bike. If the bike gets adjusted to the riding style and the rider's performance, it might give you around 40. So let's hear the exhaust note for a while. It has the same KTM signature sound, but a little bit decenter. Let's roll, shall we? Oh, this feels a bit different to me, and it's a lightweight bike anyway. ABS works very fine, very good. Wow, the bike is so nimble. This is what I like to ride. But there is no power in this bike. Seriously. Compared to the BS4 200, no power. I'm really sorry about it. And the mileage changes according to your riding style, guys. This bike, my god. This is the first BS6 bike on my channel, so I hope you guys like it. First, second and third, it goes smoothly. Downshifting is cool. I've told you many times, any bike I have tested, I'll always do a downshift test. That's where you get to know your bike's gear smoothness and the initial power. Okay, it's stable. It is stable. Very stable enough. ABS works very well, guys. There you go, ABS. You are doing your magic. Very much impressed. So let's take a U-turn, boys. Let's rip it. So brakes are brand new, it still needs to get adjusted. Right now the brakes are at softer side. The brakes are not so good at the moment. Wow, suspensions are very good. Takes corner very well. The humps, there's no doubt about it. BS6 Duke 200 handling, I must say it's very good. Oh, we got a 390 here. I must say this is one of a kind. After when you hit 6000 RPM, I guess there is a power increase. Let's try that one more time. Third gear, 80, not bad. The stability is nice. I really like the stability on the bike. Holy God, this thing is something else. The engine specs is the same as the Duke 200. There is a little power drop, that's all, 1 or 2 bhp. If you want to know about the specs, there is a link in the description, go check it out. This is just a riding experience for you guys. So I think I'm the first person who's riding the bike this rashly, I mean this aggressively. Wow, what an amazing downshift it has. Okay guys, let us see what do we have here. Time, trip, road. Okay, set. Fuel range, service. Wow, this has a lot of features, not bad. So currently, according to my riding style, it's giving me around, oh, it's still calculating it, the numbers are rising. 26. Okay, okay. 27. Wow, 30 kilometers per liter. Okay. Okay, I accept, I admire this bike. This bike is something else. So right now I have to give back the bike to the owner. So he is kind enough to let me borrow the bike for a while and make a video on it. Thank you for that, bro. Thank you so much for that. I'm seriously, this bike is no joke. The handling is so much better than my 390. Seriously. Now I guess this is also because of the lightweight bike, because of the underbelly exhaust, because it's not heating so much. Even the fans are on, but I don't feel the heat. Very good. Oh, it even filters properly. Very good. The stability, wow. Body balance, wow. Simply amazing, guys. What can I say? This bike, Mamma Mia. Or should I say, this is one masterpiece. I did not expect a BS6 200 to run like this. First gear 45, second gear 60, third gear 80. Not bad. Yeah, baby. Baby, this is called how you ride a Duke. Mama, if you guys need any lessons on how to ride a bike, DM me on my Instagram. Let me see if I can pop a wheelie or something. Oh yeah, this thing pops a wheelie.
A
A few moments later.
My god, this is a beauty, guys. So you can hear the fan still running. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, there you go, the KTM brand new Duke 200 PS6. If you want to know more about these bikes, I will definitely give a specification, the pricing, everything in the link in the description. You guys can check it out. If you have any queries, you can DM me anytime on Instagram. So anyways, I guess this is the video. See you guys on my next one. Stay subscribed. For more information, you can always check out on my Instagram. This is CJ signing out. Peace.